I'm gonna do some digging today, just getting some bushes out of a person's yard. And then I'm supposed to go do some stumps this afternoon. We're going to dig these bushes out. And I just checked the concrete porch there. Comes out to about 6 inches this side of the banister there, so I gotta stay pretty close. I'm just trying to knock the dirt off of it so it's not as heavy when I load it up. Well, I'm going to continue on like this until I get that cluster out, and then we got to do all of those over there too, and that one on the corner, the taller one. We're also supposed to get all these retaining wall blocks out of here, so I'm just pulling them loose so they're easy to pick up by hand. Now I'm going to go get a saw and cut that thing up a little bit. This is the last one. I'm out of breath. I drag it up here like this. Thing is heavy. Got to get a strap on it. And I got to load up a bunch of keystone retaining wall blocks. Hopefully we can get them all in here in the back. I wish I could find a young person to work for me. Was carrying 2 of these at a time, and now I'm down to 1. Not sure where I'm going to put my feet. That's just to get them down to the truck. These will probably, some of them will probably stay on here, and guess we'll probably put more of them on the back of the truck and on the trailer. Yeah, I gotta get these all the way around there. It's only 2 deep though, that's good. And they're the little 18 by 12. I mean 8 by 12. Got them off the excavator and stacked back here. But I got to keep the bucket up there because that last one keeps falling off and it's pretty heavy. But I got all those mashed down pretty good. I was thinking of just stacking these blocks all the way across, and then thing will probably stay there once the blocks are in. I got this little makeshift tailgate I'll stick up there. I might even stick the trailer tire, stand it up against that. I'm going to go over there and get another batch of these because I forgot to bring a wheelbarrow.